Hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about a new pair of headphones called Sony ULT WEAR today that might really revolutionize the game. Although these are difficult to place within Sony's current product lines, they may seem like a spiritual successor to those who recall the legendary Sony Extra Bass series. I'm eager to give my opinions after spending a week with them, and as a longtime owner of the Sony WH-1000XM3. The long-term comfort of the Sony ULT WEAR headphones is a priority in their appearance. They're ergonomic and exceedingly light, which makes them perfect for prolonged use. They have a simple appearance with breathable ear pads and an adjustable headband, and they are mostly made of plastic. Travelers will find the ULT WEAR headphones to be an excellent option because they are foldable, unlike the new WH-1000XM5. A charging cord, an audio cable, and a protective case are included. But unlike Sony's flagship models, this one uses a different kind of plastic. Although it's not inexpensive by any means, it doesn't have the WH-1000XM series' signature soft touch sensation. The fact that I couldn't purchase them in white or green saddened me a little because the black model attracts fingerprints. Sony has included very user-friendly touch controls on the ULT WEAR. You can change tracks by swiping forward or backward on the ear cup, and you can change the level by swiping up or down. Holding the tap will bring up your voice assistant or end a call. Double tapping will play or pause music or answer call. One neat feature is that you can use your hand to cover the right ear cup to turn on the external microphone and mute the sound. This is ideal for brief discussions without removing the headphones. Additionally, it has an auto pause function that halts playback when the headphones are removed, just like the high-end WH-1000XM4 and XM5 headphones. You can turn off this feature in the Sony Headphones Connect app if it's not your thing. With its built-in Bluetooth 5.2 technology, the ULT WEAR can connect to two devices at once, such as a laptop and a smartphone. Though it does not include the NFC module for fast pairing seen in the flagship XM line, it does have Google Fast Pair for devices that are compatible. From the Bluetooth menu, you can check the battery level and turn on features like spatial audio. The 40mm custom-developed drivers in these headphones produce rich mids, deep bass, and crisp highs. The ULT button provides two different levels of bass boost for bass enthusiasts, ALT1 for deep, low-frequency bass and ALT2 for stronger, more energizing bass. Although they are capable of handling a wide range of musical styles, I thought they were especially well suited to electronic music. Bands like the Chemical Brothers, Joseph, and even more aggressive acts like Lorna Perturbator sounded amazing. They're ideal for every genre, though. AC/DC's classic rock sounds nice, but in metal and its subgenres, the bass drum can overpower the mix and obscure the midrange. These headphones are undoubtedly made for bass heads, and they might be a fantastic substitute for anyone looking to replace the venerable Skull Candy Crusher. When it comes to noise-canceling technology, Sony is well known, and the ULT WEAR is no exception. Because of their tight fit, they offer excellent passive noise isolation, in addition to the built-in Sony V1 processor that actively reduces background noise. Even in busy surroundings, these headphones perform an excellent job of isolating external sounds, thanks to the two independent microphones in each ear cup. Another benefit is the long battery life. When noise cancellation is enabled, the ULT WEAR can play back for about 30 hours on a single charge. When it is not, it can play back for up to 50 hours. Additionally, they feature USB-C fast charging, which allows for several hours of playback after just a short while of charging. In roughly 3.5 hours, a full charge occurs. The ULT WEAR does not enable wireless charging, in contrast to several of its rivals. With the Sony Headphones Connect app, which is accessible on Google Play and the App Store, you can personalize your listening experience. You can change the equalizer settings, change the noise cancellation level, and even activate Sony's version of Apple's spatial audio. Additionally, you may activate Sony's exclusive DSCE technology through the app, which improves sound quality when playing music wirelessly. Additionally, you have the option to select between Sony's LDAC codec and the less sophisticated AAC codec by deciding between sound quality and connection stability. For whom are the Sony ULT WEAR headphones intended? These could be ideal for you if you enjoy deep bass and want an everyday set of headphones with high-end features like noise cancellation and dual-device compatibility, but don't want to spend twice as much as the flagship WH-1000XM5. They provide a hint of Sony's upscale magic without the exorbitant cost. Please feel free to ask any questions in the section below. As usual, the description contains a link to these headphones. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the future video. Have a nice day and God bless you.